Jim Simons of Renaissance Technologies, one of the world's highest paid, most successful hedge fund managers. CNBC's Melissa Lee is here with the answer. You had an exclusive discussion with him. What's up?
This is really what is eating at him right now, and that is math. Of course, it has been a driving force in Simons' life and success. He was the first person to earn a PhD under the National Defense Education Act, which was born out of Sputnik. He taught math, and then he started Renaissance Technologies, the legendary hedge fund that relies on models and algorithms for its success. But Simons is concerned now that math education might be failing students and causing America to lose its competitive edge. His solution? Math for America.
Jim Simons knows how to solve a problem. As a college math professor, Simons won kudos for discovering a quantum physics theory. And as a hedge fund manager, he uses math to power the black box trading that has helped his flagship medallion fund post whopping 35% average annual return since 1989.
It's 100% computer-driven, it's 100% model-driven. For this, we need a variety of technical folks, obviously good computer programmers, but we need good scientists.
But Simons started to notice that most of these scientists were coming from overseas.
Getting Americans as programmers, as researchers in what we do is very difficult.
So he became concerned that the United States may be losing its competitive edge and that the problem starts in the classroom.
As a country, we ought to care, because we can't depend forever on imports of quality people.
So Simons figured out a solution.
If you run a factory and you can't seem to get welders of the quality you want, you raise the salaries. That's standard in private industry. It's not standard in the schools.
With $25 million of his own money, Simons started Math for America, which awards selected teachers stipends of up to $90,000 over 5 years and tuition for a master's degree. Its goal to get lovers of math back into the classroom and get them to stay.
It takes 1.43 seconds.
Thank you.
Sendel Revoluri, once a derivatives trader at UBS, is now a Math for America teacher at the Bronx Academy of Letters in New York. For him, teaching math goes well beyond educating a future workforce.
The private sector does a fine job of finding the talent it needs. You know, that talent may have a different last name or a different passport, but fundamentally that doesn't matter. But what does matter is that we preserve the sense that there is social mobility in this country, that there is an American dream.
Math for America has 111 teachers in New York City schools and aims to almost quadruple that in the next 5 years. Still, for Simons, his work is far from done.
This is really a national problem. We can't solve this problem nationally in New York City.
But it's a start at tackling one of the biggest problems Simons has ever taken on, keeping America competitive by teaching what has given him so much to a new generation.
Simons and Math for America have been talking with the new Democratic leadership in Congress and are hoping that MFA will be incorporated into a comprehensive American competitiveness bill. And for those of you who might be thinking about a career change, Math for America is accepting applications now for its next crop of fellows.
I love that story. It's fabulous, and he's right on the money.
He is.
Melissa, thank you very much. Mark?